Eng igorata kokakikochi karikab kandoinatet neikochin kamuget ak kimnatet kotelelchi Machakos University eng oret nebo ng'ulotyet.
Former insignia. And the next is the 2 volumes of the accreditation report. Accreditation is a recognition of an institution, that is a university, that it will continue to maintain certain levels of educational standards. And indeed, Machakos University is one. Those are the 2 volumes. Thank you. And now, at this point,
Kangobata noto kiyosyechi ine kosub tuguk tugul chekiking'at ak kosubkei ak arorutik ak ng'atutikab boisienyi.
I will safeguard confidential information, not divulging it unless I am either authorized to do so or required to do so by law. I acknowledge that this oath shall remain in force during and after the end of my term of office with Machakos University. So help me God.
Kamwa Governor nebo Machakos County Wavinya Ndeti kobun logoiwek chekakisomanchi kole wendi kochenge walutietab kipkoi eng konekit nebo wechetab kalyet ak rebetab imbaret nebo university.
Some challenges related to insecurity and accessibility of certain pieces of land have been reported to my office. This we shall progressively resolve together. I once again congratulate you, Vice Chancellor, on this appointment.
A lot of welfare improvement reached us, and we are so grateful. And with such a gesture, such a demeanor, we can only be true to the vision and the mission of this great university. And we want to promise you our support as you continue to steer this institution to great heights.
Kaboibochi katororetab Professor President nebo kibagengeit nebo kipsomaninik eng sugulinoto Ian Rob ak rubeiwonyi Grace Maina.
Okingen kole toretech amun kiyai kasit tugul for the past 7 years. Ki rubeiwotab VC en academics and student affairs. Okingen kole chito netoretech kama mzazi na pia kama VC.
Her leadership and academic enthusiasm to our students and the university as all has indeed been the gear or what has made her to be our new Vice Chancellor. We are so happy for her and we are ready to work with her as a student association, as the students.
Professor Joyce Jepkirui Agalo ko agenge eng Vice Chancellors 13 chekilewen Minister nebo Somanet Ezekiel Machogu kotelelchi sugulisiekab barak. Aripotenchini kas logoiwekab emet kong'ete county nebo Machakos. Kainenyu ko Samson Kurgat.